We're thinking that what you see online is the average. It's not. That's bullshit. That's best case scenario. Everyone, what's up? Devon Brown here. Today I want to share with you one of the biggest mistakes that I see people make when they try to achieve success in some area of their life. What happened was a couple of days ago, I was on the phone with one of my students who is learning affiliate marketing, right? And he's starting to build his list and he's starting to get some results. And he says to me, yeah, Devon, you know, I'm seeing people on my list and I'm making a few sales, but everything I see online, everybody's making more than me. What am I doing wrong? And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, well, when I go in the Facebook group, or when I look up what other people are doing, or I even see what you're doing, Devon, I see, you know, you talk about how you made $1,000 yesterday promoting an affiliate product, and I only made $20. Or somebody in the Facebook group posted that they made $400, or I was on so-and-so's webinar and he said that he made $10,000 in a week. And I'm like, stop right there. Why are you comparing yourself to other people, especially gurus? We'll put that term in quotes. Let's say I'm trying to transform my body physically, right? If everything that I look at and focus on are all of these professional fitness people, then in my brain it's like, oh my God, everybody has these super fit bodies and I don't. Well, that's not true. That's just what I'm focusing on, right? If I jump into real estate investing and I go and I read the blogs of 3 or 4 or 5 successful real estate investors and I listen to their case studies or whatever, then I'm going to have an unrealistic expectation of what is supposed to be accomplished and what success looks like. Here's the problem. So often you are comparing your success to people who have failed more times than you have even tried. All right? You cannot look at the results that I'm getting and think that my results are industry average. They're not. And then compare the results you're getting to what I'm getting and think that you're failing. That you can't, that's not how that works. The truth, and I have the perspective of getting to talk to a lot of people who are all in the same position, just starting out. And the truth of the matter is that if you are, and we'll just use this affiliate marketing, we'll just keep going with this affiliate marketing example. If you make $100 in a week, if you email your list and promoting other people's products and you make $100 in affiliate commissions in a week, whether you realize it or not, you're probably like in the top 20%. You really are. You're doing better than 80% of people out there who say they want to make money online. The truth is that the vast majority of people in any industry, whether we're talking about fitness or real estate or internet marketing or whatever, the vast majority of people don't get any results. They don't. So this many people don't get any results. This many people, which is probably the category you fall in, get okay results, but they get some results. And then this many people, this really tiny amount, get the vast majority of results. If you're here in this section of the 20% who are getting some results, and you're always comparing yourself to the top 1 to 2%, you're getting an unrealistic view of reality. And so what I want you to do is I want you to stop comparing where you are on your journey to where somebody else is who has been doing it for umpty 5 million years. And I want you to have a broader understanding that the fact that you even made $1 already puts you in the top 20%, whether you know it or not, but it really is. And so if you've made that first $1, if you've gotten that first result, if you've lost that first 5 pounds that you're trying to lose, then the truth is that what you've done is you've proven a concept. You've proven that it can work. And the more you do it and the better you get at it, the more results you're going to get, assuming you stay consistent. All right? So if you get anything from this video, just please stop comparing yourself or thinking that what you see online is the average. It's not. That's bullshit. That's best case scenario. I'm not telling you it's a lie in that it's untrue. The results are probably true, but they represent this many people, not this many people. All right? Hope that makes sense. Snap my fingers, switch my feet. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey, Devon here. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and connect with me on social media. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to share it with your friends.